Hello class 11th, welcome back dear student. This is the video number 7 of chapter number 1, the living world. In this video, we will study about the museum, zoological park and key, which comes together into the taxonomical acts. In the last video, we already discussed about the herbarium and botanical gardens. So let's see about the museum. What is museum? Nowadays, museum is artistic place. Museum is an educational place where the educational materials are the place where we preserve the ancient materials, the place which is responsible for research and exhibition of natural things. Museum is a place where artistic educational materials are placed for the research and exhibition purposes. They are preserved from very ancient time. There are so many materials, so many ancient things which are stored into the museum for their further research, further educational purposes, further exhibition. And time to time, museums organize the exhibition of these such a materials. So some examples of museums are Natural History Museum, London, and Indian Museum, Kolkata, Forest Museum in Andaman and Nicobar Island. These are the some important museum which responsible for store of educational, artistic and research related materials which shown and exhibit time to time. In which Indian Museum Kolkata is very important and Forest Museum in Andaman and Nicobar Island and Natural History Museum in London. Okay, so this is the museum. Now see the zoological park, which is also known as zoo or zoological garden or Jaivik Udyan. So Jaivik Udyan or zoological park is very important. Here the living animals are kept and we try to provide them a natural habitat, and these organisms are displayed for public, लोगों को दिखाने के लिए, शो करने के लिए इन एनिमल्स को प्रिजर्व करके लिविंग कंडीशन में कंजर्व करके रखा जाता है. सो जूलॉजिकल पार्क और जैविक उद्यान इज द प्लेस वेयर लिविंग एनिमल्स आर केप्ट फॉर द डिस्प्ले ऑफ पब्लिक. And it is also useful for the wildlife conservation, because if the natural habitat is lost, so we artificially created a habitat for such a wild organism and we save them and we provide the wild conservation habitat like zoological park or Jaivik Udyan. So zoological park is the living place where animals are kept in the living condition. Very important zoological park is Alipore Zoological Garden or Alipore Zoological Park, Kolkata. The head office of ZSI, Zoological Survey of India, is also located in the Alipore of ZSI of Kolkata. Alipore is the name of a place in Kolkata where the head office of Zoological Survey of India is located. And Alipore Zoological Garden is also located over there. Next is the Lucknow Zoo. And then recently in Gorakhpur one zoo is made, so that is the Gorakhpur Zoo. Zoo means चिड़ियाघर भी इसको कहते हैं, so we can say that चिड़ियाघर. But in चिड़ियाघर not only चिड़िया means birds, only birds are not kept. So many organisms are kept. You can see the tiger, you can see the deer, bear, you can see the birds also, the snake also. So many organisms are kept in the zoo. So the right terms for this conservation is zoological garden or zoological park instead of zoo. So Gorakhpur Zoo, Lucknow Zoo, Alipore Zoological Gardens and Rajiv Gandhi Zoo in Maharashtra. These are the some important zoological park or zoo located in the India, which help in the conservation of living animals. So they are the taxonomical act. One important taxonomical act is key. Key is a artificial analytic device having a list of statement which used for identifying organism. We can say that key is the analytic device which used for identify the organism for their contrasting characters. If two, three organism it looks like same, so they show the contrasting character. For example, leaf of a plant will look like same. So for the classification of leaf, different type of leaf, we use the key terms. Fruit of different plant having if they look like same, so differentiation of fruit on the basis of key. And contrasting character also we should classify on the basis of key. Some animals like bat, cat, birds and frog having presence of ear, scale, feather or moving hand or leg is the presence or absence. So key is the another way of artificial analytic device or method by which we classify or we identify the contrasting character of the organism, and we identify such a organism and place them as separate class or separate group. So these are the important taxonomical acts, and this is all about video number 7. In the next video, video number 8, we will discuss about the summary of the chapter, because the explanation is completed. Till the explanation chapter is completed. Now in the next video we will study about the complete summary of the chapter. Then we do the some exercise question answer. Thank you.